Let's start. The project name is a toolbar with Imageview. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a toolbar with an image view. Let's see the code. The coordinator layout is the root layout. This is the app bar layout. This is the collapsing toolbar layout. The scroll flags attribute is set to scroll, exit until collapsed, snap modes. The expanded title text appearance attribute is set to expanded, so that the toolbar would be always expanded when the app opens. This is image view. This is the material toolbar. The theme attribute is set to toolbar theme, which is mentioned in the themes.xml file. The collapse mode is set to pin. There are 3 collapse modes: none, pin, and parallax. With none collapse mode, the content moves along with the collapsing toolbar. With pin collapse mode, the content will move freely as long as the toolbar is not completely collapsed. But when the toolbar collapses, the content will move along with the collapsing toolbar. With parallax collapse mode, the content moves a little slower than the collapsing toolbar. Below the app bar layout, we have a nested scroll view. The layout behavior attribute is set to app bar layout scrolling view behavior. Inside the nested scroll view, we have a constraint layout. Here we can put the rest of the UI components which we need. In the themes.xml file, this is the toolbar theme style that is applied to the toolbar. This theme handles the toolbar text color, back icon text color, menu text and icon color, etc. The exact same theme is mentioned in both light and dark themes. We have kept the Java code as it is. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a toolbar with an image view in Java Android. Thanks for watching.